All right, guys, off to the beach day game. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm excited. Let's run it up. Boot camp mode. Man, the quality on this thing is actually really good. Holy shit. I just picked up a new camera. It's honestly a perfect day here. So today we're focusing on little interactions, small interactions, just high fives, compliments, getting warmed up. Yeah. Hello. We have Chanel. Camera and everything.
Is this on film?
Yeah, man, it's a new one. Check it out. Just got this one. It's
nice. Is it DJI?
DJI.
The ones you can put on you.
Yeah.
Did you go on an instant date? Did you meet the woman of your dreams?
Okay, yeah. I am very successful with today's approaches. My challenge for today is to have 100 interactions with strangers.
Yeah.
100 interactions with strangers that you feel desire for, or just anyone?
Anything. Kind of like what you do when you're walking around.
As in guys and girls?
Guys and girls.
Okay, that's cool.
All right, brother.
Send it.
You send it. That's right. How are you? Good to see you. My job is done. I'm a professional wingman. Doggy here, little doggy. My man's in a little approach here, and we're just occupying the dog for now, you know, giving it a little massage, a little belly rub. All right, guys, so overall, it was an amazing beach day game session. I went overtime, almost an hour. His challenge is to talk to anyone. He just talked to some people down there. Legend, I love the proactiveness. At the juice store, getting some juice, because we out here juicing. Got the juice. Thank you. Woo. The low light performance on this thing is actually pretty good. Not bad at all. Here we go, baby. Gonna get some rest in. It's a break period before the night game. It's very important. We made it to the club, probably the hardest club in Canggu to game. This is the hardest night. You're gonna feel it, you're gonna feel the intimidation. But we got here an hour before the party begins, where there's literally no music, just to sit at the bar and feel comfortable in the environment. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? How are you? Hey, we're out here. Students in momentum, let's get it. In momentum, he went straight for the approach. All right, we're at a new venue. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, thank you, bro. Damn, bro, it's raining like that. Crazy out here. Are you a YouTuber?
It's just the rain. This is crazy.
It's wild out here.
Take a video of me with the rain.
You're not a YouTuber?
Really? I'm born in New York. Yeah.
I hear it now. Oh, they go wing woman. Go wing woman now. Fucking second. So we got a wing woman now. He's getting the number right here. He's a G. He's a G. He's doing it. Says, let me get your email.
He got the email.
The motherfucking email. So the party is officially over here, and we got 6 Ukrainian baddies with us, so we're pulling all the papilla type shit. Call this ride roll. How are you gonna handle all this? You better get a video of you in the car with all of them.
I got 10%.
10%? Yeah.
Is there a bag?
Might have to open the bag. Is he in there already? All right.
I will be bike.
I take a new car.
Oh yeah.
All right, pimping. We're pimping.
Oh,
We're pimping. No, I with my friend.
My name is Rico, brother.
Rico.
Yeah. Your name, brother?
My name is Nico. Rico and Nico.
Nice to meet you, Nico. Nico
Yes,
and
sir.
Rico.
Nico.
Hey, hey.
Let's go.
Let's go, Rico.
Shout out to God. All right. Hey, you're a cool guy. You're a fucking legend. Rico the legend. Thank you so much, Rico. Rico's a legend. So I got my shirt off so I don't get wet. Be out here, wild place. Got a little bit wet, but it's all good. I got my bike here, got a rain jacket. It's just been a chaotic ass night. I really hope these headphones are waterproof, but I don't want to go without music, so fuck it.
These girls just went up and they're gonna tell us right now, but I don't think it's good.
Oh, is it not good?
Like we were there.
Oh, how was
and
it?
It's like super loud and super clubby club. Like I don't know, like I don't know how to explain it. Like
That's what I'm talking about. We pimping. We're taking them to the villa. We pimping. Say it. Pimping. We pimping. Okay. Life is crazy right now. I can't believe they're coming to our villa. That's insane. So the girls should be arriving soon. I got here earlier because I was on a bike and get the music ready, get the drinks and shit. It looks good. It's cozy enough, right? Cozy enough. Good morning. Hey, we got 3 pools back to back. It's kind of crazy. We're on a streak here, bro. We got to keep going. I don't think I've ever got 3 pools back to back with a student. Power, 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 power. We're doing 5 rounds each, 1 minute 30 per round. Going speed, technique, and power. 30 seconds each. Come on. Power. Power. I got to go in 20 seconds. So.
1 more second. Switch. Power.
So both students have pulled a bunch. I've pulled last night, and we're all having a good time. And then today, we had a hard session at the beach. I didn't document any of it because we were struggling. I was struggling to get my student to approach. I was struggling to get into momentum myself after pulling a Ukrainian baddie last night. And it just made me realize that you're going to have days where your mind is against you. You're going to have to battle your own mind. Your mind is going to tell you things that aren't true. It's going to tell you that you're not good enough. It's going to tell you that you're wasting your time. It's going to tell you there's something wrong with you that you don't have, that you're not able to game effectively and get the result that everyone else can get. You might see other people do okay, and you're going to say that I can't do that myself. Your mind will eat you alive. It will eat you alive. And I've been in this game long enough to know that, and I still have these thoughts. And then I have to remind myself, like, wait a minute. Okay, I'm having a hard day today, but I've had plenty of amazing days on this same beach. I've had days where so many girls are receptive, and even the ones that aren't, it's not even hurting my feelings at all. I'm getting tons of closes. Maybe I've even gotten a makeout on this beach. I'm making so many friends. I'm inviting them all to parties. Like yesterday, I invited 6 Ukrainian baddies to a party. They all came out like you saw. And now I'm having a hard session. Wow, the game is fucking crazy. You're gonna have moments where you hate it sometimes, where you're just like, fuck, this is rough. And you're gonna have moments where you go out and you're like, why am I getting rejected back to back? What's going on? Today, I'm not gonna lie, was one of those days for me. Maybe I'm a little tired, and maybe my students are having a bad mood and it's affecting my energy. Maybe, who knows? But the point is this, I am rational enough, logical enough, and stubborn enough, honestly, to keep on going. And I promise you, sometimes on days like today, where I'm getting absolutely obliterated, where I'm completely in my head, and I decide to push forward and keep going anyways, I meet some of the most amazing people possible. I view this cold approach like it's a muscle. Like this is something that I'm doing long term. This is something that I'm building. This is something that I'm growing in. This is a passion. It's something that I'm learning and I'm teaching and I'm doing. And that's it. And I'm not gonna lie, I have thoughts sometimes where I'm like, wow, am I getting burnt out on this? Will I get burnt out on this? Is this too much? Is this a waste of my time? Is this even a skill set? Is this something you can even get better in? Personally, I think it is. I think coaching is also a skill set. I think actually coaching is much more challenging than game for me. So it's something that I can get better in. But it's hard. I'm not gonna lie, it's hard. Yeah, I'm just trying to get better at it day by day, week by week.